Hello. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're inking up the plantain. And you know, the truth of the matter is I don't know if this is the plantain or that's the plantain, but I'm inking up this round thing, which I call the plantain. I'm sure that I will be corrected or contributed to on social media, so that's always good. And then the key here is always don't use too much ink, which I love doing but then all of a sudden you have too much ink and it gets too dark and whatnot. So I'm trying to get this inked up so that we can get going, and almost done. Oh, I may have used too much. All right, I think that will be enough, and we'll find out here in a minute. All right, so then we put the ink back. Now we are gonna, now what we're trying to do is these rollers will come up, get the ink off of this, and then it will ink this wood dye. So see how it spins it, and you can see how the ink is now getting on the rollers. Oh, I need to grease this. It's catching. So this is how the folks back in the mid-1800s would have printed books, like the Adoptive Rite. That was done by Robert Morris and then codified by Robert Macoy. This is what they would do. So now you can see that this is all inked up, and I'm going to take this, which is one of my thing, and I'm gonna, I'll do this one. I got some ink on it from my finger, which is not good, but this is my practice. I have marked this, hopefully properly right. We will find out, and we'll see if it works. Oh no! Well, that didn't go very well. So there you go. That's what happens. So, all right, we're on our way. We're learning. Oh, that's what the other side looks like. That's not very good. We'll throw that one away.
Awesome.
Thank you.